Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a really cool piece of software to show you. It's called Docsie, and what it will allow you to do is take videos and create really cool documents from them. Let's jump in. Okay, here we are in Docsie, and what I'll do is give you a little run around what you get on the screen, and don't forget there'll be a link down below. So you can have a play with Docsie as well. So we have, starting on the left hand side, a new chat, and we're going to do that in a moment and show you how you start from just a video to a full document. Then you've got your videos or your documents that you've created in the past, and I've got 3, so I'll go through those and show you what outputs I got. And you've got settings down here on the left hand side, and what you can do is you can upload a template, and I've uploaded a professor template so that all my documents come out with professor on the side, and we'll see that in a minute. And you can change the language that you want to work in. So obviously I've got it in English, but if you're a Spanish speaker, you can put it in Spanish, or French, you can put it in French. And yeah, that's that left hand side. Over here, we've got a name of the machine, your credits. So you can either buy credit bundles, or you can sign up for a pack, a monthly pack. You've got your video knowledge base here, so you can go in and look at your videos. Context, we use that once we've got a video open. If you want to create a plan, you can create a plan, and it says it's online. And then here is the meat. So this is where you get all your information about what you've been doing. And down here is where you give the AI that's built into Docsie an instruction about what to do. And we're going to go through that now. The first thing I'm going to do is upload a file. So this is a file that I have downloaded. It's my video file. This is a file that I've downloaded from YouTube. It's quite a big file, and lots of you have been watching this video, so fantastic. Here is what I'm going to do, is create a step-by-step guide to this file. Now, it's going to take a bit of time, so what I'm not going to do is sit here and watch it do its stuff. It'll probably take about 20 minutes to go through its process, but I just wanted to show you how easy it was. It will upload the file. It's uploaded now, and then you can say create a new article. That was one I'd done before. You can also use these templates. You can say create an API reference guide, architecture decision record, integration guide, something around a product, a user guide, etc. Process, standard operating procedures. So there's all these really useful templates that you can use. And I'm going to use a how-to guide, troubleshooting, user guide. That's what I want. So this is the user guide, and got an introduction, getting started, core features, advanced features, settings and configurations. So I'm going to use that template. And then say, create the article called Notebook LM 20 Tips. Then you just set it running. And so it's got the video. It will then pop it into, this is really nice, that it gives you its thought process. It shows you what tools it's going to call the computer, I assume is the large language model it's using, going through the thought process. It estimates it's going to take between 2 and 15 minutes. So we'll come back when it's done and we'll see the outputs. But right now let's look at the video that I produced about a week ago on the integration between Consensus and Zotero, and I will put the link down below if you haven't seen it. What have you been doing if you haven't seen it? But go back and have a look. And I have put the video in. It has created a video knowledge base. The document type was a guide. Took 2 to 15 minutes, and the session ID. So the analysis was running in the background, documentation, draft, only draft preview, it's not been created in Docsie yet, implementation guide, finalize and publish. So if we go into the context for this, move myself to the other side, you can see the active file that was there. This is what it extracted. So it extracted both images and text, did the analysis, you see the tools, etc., context, statistics, and then it generated 2 documents. So this was the raw analytics. Have a look at what it said. And there we go. So we've got the raw analytics here, what it found. You can see that it sets it into this executive summary, objectives, prerequisites, need a Zotero account, administrative access, etc. And then accessing the Zotero, importing. So this is the raw data. Close this off. And then you get and go down to the video documentation, generated document. You can check all the text. And it's put the prompts in there. You can see. Very cool. You get this nice document. You can go in and edit it. So if you think, actually, I need to just change this, you can go in, type in, and copy the activity, download it. So it's now downloading. And you can export it as a PDF or as a DOCX. Download is started. I'm going to work on another one that we did. This is another video that I uploaded. There we go. There's another one. Let's just look at another one that I did. This was the Copilot and Teams. So see, it went through and it found lots of information. Let's have a look at the preview document. And this one, as you can see, what it's done is it's taken screenshots at appropriate places and inserted them in the training manual. So you can see what I did and what it looked like on the screen. Very, very cool. I'm going to export that as a PDF and we can have a look at it. Have a look at how we're getting on with our Notebook LM. Still working. This is what it produces. This is the kind of output it produces from a video. Just upload the video. So you download it from YouTube, pop it in. Very, very cool. Very cool. Okay, so it took 22 minutes, something like that. And here we've got, put the video in, got started, gave me a document. And basically I can now talk to this and say, you know, change the way it's set out, change the pictures, etc. So I can make changes using the AI and it will go through and make those changes for me. But here we got this big video. I mean, it's a long 50-minute video. It tells you how to log in, what you can upload. Really, really cool. You can save this in your knowledge base. Got the documents there. How to create a page. Goes through each of the panels, what you can do. Infographics. And you get this very lovely, it's massive, frequently asked questions right down at the bottom. There we go. If you're creating a document that you want to create some training, got a training video, you want to create a document, this is absolutely fantastic, really superb. I can say save this to my knowledge base. So I've got it saved. I'm going to say it's doing that, saving that. So it's saving the video to the knowledge base as well. I'm going to say publish this. So it's great. All I'm doing is talking to the AI. I'm not having to go through and create any of these documents, move them around, publish them, etc. Beautiful. There we go. This is the document. How cool is that? Step by step. PDF. The video taking you through. Branded in my colors. Shows you what was in the video, so you can have this and go alongside the video. Like this video. How much has it produced? Gosh. There we go. 25 pages from the video in about half an hour. Really, really good. So that's Docsie. Something I came across. The founder reached out to me and said, have a look at this. And I said, yeah, let's have a look. And I thought, this is very cool. If you are trying to build that knowledge base of that sits around videos, you're trying to train your staff, this could be a very cool investment for you. So I'll put the link down below. Give it a go. It's well worth a try, and you can produce some really incredible things. Hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll catch you soon. Bye for now.